In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy an app in Base44. Deploying a web app on Base44 is designed to be straightforward, mainly because the platform conveniently incorporates hosting as part of its core functionalities. Let's take a closer look at how simple this process can be. Once you've successfully built your app and everything is running smoothly within your local development environment, the next step is to publish it. Begin by opening your app editor. This is where most of the magic happens. In the top bar of the editor, you're going to look for a button that says Publish App. Give that a click. By doing so, Base44 seamlessly handles the rest for you, deploying the latest version of your app automatically. Within moments, your app will be live and accessible through a unique Base44 URL, typically formatted as Your App Base44 app. But don't worry about the technical aspects of hosting. Base44 takes care of everything from SSL certificates to the underlying infrastructure. This means your app will be secure, reliable, and ready to meet the demands of your audience without any additional effort on your part. Now, once your app is published, sharing it is just as hassle-free. You'll want to make your app available to your users, whether they're clients, testers, or anyone else involved. In the app editor, you'll find an option called Share Your App. Click on it, and a unique URL will be generated for you. Simply copy this URL and share it with whoever needs access to your app. It's that easy. Moreover, if you require more granular control over who can see and interact with your app, Base44 offers an intuitive way to manage visibility. Navigate to your dashboard and look for the option labeled App Visibility. Here you can decide whether your app should be public, allowing it to be accessed by anyone with the link, or restricted, which means you can limit access to certain users only. This flexibility ensures that you have complete control over who gets to interact with your app, tailoring user experiences as needed. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to bring your app to life on Base44. From publishing to sharing and managing visibility, Base44 offers a streamlined process designed to get your application in front of your audience with minimal fuss. Remember to keep these steps in mind for a smooth deployment experience every time. Thank you for watching, and happy deploying.